Hello, my name's Laurie. I'm part of the casting team at Morrison Watson. We've been getting some questions about how best to sprue CAD models, so we thought that we'd make a short video showing you what we have found to work. Let's start with a generic setting. It's similar to many that we get. Often they arrive just as you see this one, without any sort of sprue or support attached. We can add a wax sprue to this manually, and we'll take care to keep it as clean and easy for you to remove as possible, but it will never be as clean as if it were done in CAD. One of the approaches that you could use is to add supports to the top of the claws, like this. We do get many files that have this sort of arrangement, and it works well for most alloys. It gives us a place to add our main sprue, and it supports all of the main claws at the same time, keeping in mind that the printed wax is very fragile. So if you wanted to be extra cautious, you could always add an extra support down to the end claws, and then we add our main sprue on top. This will deliver a good result for most alloys, but if you're casting in platinum, we found it needs a different approach. Platinum freezes very quickly, and by feeding through the claws into the bezel, we find that the claws freeze before the bezel, and as it tries to pull more metal into the mould, it can't, so we get holes in our castings. We found that adding a sprue which feeds the top and bottom bezel works well most of the time. We can then add our main sprue onto that manually after printing. It does leave the top claws unsupported, so we do suggest adding a halo to that as well, just to support them while they're still in wax form. I hope this has been helpful, and thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please reach out to our sales team. They're an awesome bunch of people and will do whatever they can to help.